Hello, Peter here again. This time I'm going to talk about Windows Server Update Services and how we have integrated it into upKeeper. Are you planning to do this configuration or just want more information about it? Keep watching. Let's talk about the benefits with the integration. Benefit number one. We distribute these updates exactly the same way as we distribute applications. So even if the computer are on the internet or at home, they will receive the update exactly the same way as they receive applications wherever they are. Benefit number two. We have seen with Windows 10 that the updates are really large. With our system, you can distribute the file so that they will be located on the hard drive, and the day we want to send the update command, we can do that and don't overload the network. So this will be a really simple and fast way to update your entire environment. So let's have a technical overview of this integration. We're looking at the standard organization. You have your clients located on the organization domain. Hopefully you have a Windows Server Update Services installed on a server and configured to send updates to your clients. You probably have some clients located on the internet somewhere and you can't reach them as a standard configuration. So the clients out there won't get the updates as soon as the clients on the domain. If you have a upKeeper server installed on your local domain or bought as a service from any of our partners, you can use the feature of upKeeper to distribute applications even when the clients are located on the internet. So if you set up the configuration between the WSUS server and the upKeeper environment, you will be able to distribute the updates even when the clients are on internet. So we are logged into the interface of upKeeper Manager. Let's go down to the Updates tab, click the Updates tab, and we see a listing of the updates that we have downloaded and started to distribute to our clients. To add a new update, we hit the Add button. We get the listing of all the updates available from the WSUS server. Let's search for a update that we want to distribute. We select that update that we want to distribute to our clients, and we hit the Add Update button. Now the update files will be downloaded to the Windows system, and the application will build an application of this that we can distribute. This will take 15 minutes or so, depending on the size of the files. So here we see the update. It's downloaded. Let's go into the update. We get some information about the update, the name, classification, and so on. We can read the description, how this about this update. And we can, from this tab, the Computers tab, we can add computers that we want to distribute this update to. And with as with all our managing in this system, you can see when the update is distributed to the computer. So let's have a look at the configuration of this integration. First of all, you have to install a MSI file on the WSUS server. This will be the interface for the upKeeper system to communicate with the Windows Server Update Services, so that we can get the information we need to the system and download files as well. This is really well documented in our installation documentation, so have a look at that. The next step is to configure our master server for communicating with the WSUS server interface. So look in the app settings on the configuration part as we see here, and add the address of the server in the value part of the parameter or key WSUS-based URL API. When you have added this, you have to wait for the synchronization to start. That will be done within 15 minutes. The first synchronization with the Windows Server Update services will take a really long time because it's really many updates that will be listed in the upKeeper system. So you can wait for up to a day or so before the entire synchronization is done. Hope you liked this video. If you did so, click the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Visit our website or support site, links are down below. And remember, work less, manage more. Bye.